Have y'all wanted mods in Gorilla Tag, but you don't got a PC or Discord? I gotcha! If you go to this thing called VStump or Virtual Stump, you find this. Go to the map called Bark. You load it in by clicking
I
this,
just literally heard it. I just heard it thunder strike in my head.
and you wait until you load in, and you bang your chest together. You should have the Bark mod menu that gives you tons of the basic mods such as fly, platforms, speed boost, wall run, and more things. So you should go try out for yourself. Subscribe to Goober and Leaf and this one that you're currently watching. If you don't get no cookie.